Today there's a lot of street rods. Now tomorrow there won't be, and then Sunday it'll be back again. But it's just kind of neat to see everything different. Beautiful. Oh, there's the Rambler that I was talking about. Yep, we've seen her around. That is neat. A little bit bagged. Now come on, make her dance.
What's that?
You want her to dance and bounce.
Do that.
Aw, gee. She's a solid car.
It is, thank you.
Wow. Oh, the exhaust smells so good. I like your refrigeration unit.
Thanks.
Add ice, it works perfectly. This is gorgeous. What do you have under the hood?
It's just a mild 350.
Inevitable. This is great. Gorgeous, 60. Yep. Yes.
Survivor.
Very nice. Puffs and blows your house down. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2025 Awkscht Fescht on Friday. For more cool cars like this. And checking out all the local shows. Make sure you check the car show calendars. NortheastWheelsEvents.com. Southeast Wheels Events. Hold on, I'm going to flip around. Just looks good driving off. SoutheastWheelsEvents.com. UKWheelsEvents.com. And remember, while you're there, post and promote your events. Post local and promote local. Some great street rods here. It's gorgeous. I can't resist. Sorry, folks. We've seen this girl before, and it's just like, oh my gosh. This is quite an amazing build. It just blows me away. Now this is what you would see, the customs. It's a Terraplane, Hudson Terraplane. But just so unusual. Of course, we've got our Fords. It's nice to see something a little bit different. Everything seems to have that 350 in there. Neat little Pontiac. I mean, that's a rare bird. Torino. And Chevy. Yeah. Aren't you glad you hung out?